Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This might help. I am Shresta, and in today's video we are going to do journaling for self-discovery. I'm going to share some journaling prompts which will be super helpful for you, and like all of my journaling videos, you have to pause the video when I ask you a question because they are super interactive, and all you have to do is grab your notebooks and pen and let's get started. Today's shoutout goes to Health Vibers by Priyanka. I hope I'm taking that name correctly, and thank you so much for commenting on my videos. It really means the world to me. If you're thinking how can you get a shoutout in my next video, all you have to do is comment below this video or tag me in any of your Instagram stories and I'll happily give you a shoutout. That's my way of saying a thank you to you. Now coming back to this video, as you guys know, I took a break for a week. There was no new videos on my channel and I am back. I'm super excited. And I only felt it would be more apt if I start again with a journaling video because I know you guys have been enjoying them a lot. As you guys also know, I'm hosting a 30-day journaling challenge on my Instagram. We are 20 days in and only 10 days left. And I am so overwhelmed by seeing so many of you actually journaling with me consistently, and some of you did tag me in your stories which I reposted happily, and some of you personally messaged me, DM'd me saying that you guys are doing it with me but are not comfortable sharing it with the world, and that's also perfectly okay. The whole point is to journal every single day, which I am so happy that we did. And if you haven't joined that challenge, guys, just what are you waiting for? It's free of cost. Come on, join me on my Instagram. And guys, it really doesn't matter what day you start journaling, as long as you want to inculcate this habit. Any day and every day is a perfect day to start. Now let's talk about self-discovery and what kind of role journaling plays in it. So before we start with our prompts, let's quickly talk about why journaling for self-discovery is important. Now, apart from the obvious benefits like clarity of mind, peace of mind, journaling can be important in terms of your self-discovery. Oftentimes we are told what kind of person we are, what is good for us, what will be beneficial for us, but it just takes some of us to sit down and journal mindfully and intentionally and really discover who we are and know ourselves better. Sometimes it's just not what people say who we are, it's about knowing yourself, what kind of a person you are, what is it that you like, what will benefit you, and all those good things. So in short, journaling for self-discovery helps to know the real you, helps to know you in a better way, and perhaps start working towards those things which really makes you happy or which really defines you as a person. And all these things in a longer run helps you to become the better version of yourself. Now with all that discussion out of the way, grab your notebooks and pen and journal with me. Remember guys, every time I give you a prompt, pause this video, think about it, and then jot it down. 1. In the past 1 year, what was your biggest lesson? And if you have to share the learning from that lesson with the world, what would it be?
The biggest lesson I learned was that no matter how much planning and prioritizing you do, life can throw you curveballs, and when it does, you have to accept change is inevitable, and the best way forward is to accept and adapt. That's what I am going to share with you guys, is that this is my learning from this lesson, that no matter what happens, it's okay. Go with the flow, change your plans a bit, don't be rigid, be a bit flexible, and it all falls onto place at the end of the day. So have some faith, and like I said, adapt and accept.
2. What does your dream life looks like? Guys, go as vivid as you can, go into the finer details even, visualize it and write as much as you can. 3. What are your 5 top qualities which makes you you? 4. What does your happy day looks like? What is your ideal day? What really makes you happy? List all those activities down and write your whole day, which is your ideal happy day. 5. Write a list of 10 things which inspires. Now this can be anything small or anything big, it could be anything, and just write all those things. Such question really helps you because when you feel really demotivated or you feel really down, you can always go back, look at these answers, and it will automatically inspire you. Moreover, all these questions helps you think about yourself deeply, and anytime you come back to it, you reread it again, you will feel that there is so much more than what the world sees, and you can also understand your own thought process, and it is actually very beneficial for you to journal. And finally, my last prompt, which is a little challenge for you guys as well, and that is write 5 affirmations about your own self you are going to repeat for the next 7 days. So just write any 5 affirmations, positive affirmations about yourself, which you will be repeating for the next 7 days, and that's a little challenge for you. And I hope you guys like this video. Before you go, guys, don't forget to comment on this video and let me know if there is anything in particular you would like to see in terms of journaling, and I would happily create that video for you. And I hope you guys like this video. If yes, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos, guys. And with that, I would like to sign off. Meet me next Thursday. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all.